3 years ago, well, it's going on, it'll be 4 school years ago, we had a student here who was accelerated, and she was part of a hackathon, and her mom had come to me and asked if we could do something with Minecraft in the library. There was a senior at the high school who was doing his senior project running a server, and she wanted her daughter to be a part of that. So we started with a Minecraft club, and as I was talking to the mom, we were talking about how there aren't as many opportunities for girls, we felt, for girls to be in coding and creative type things, in the schools or camp-wise. And the hackathon she was part of was an all-girls program. So we started talking about, well, wouldn't it be cool if we did something with coding with girls? And that the idea was born, and the mom, who's actually Nancy Pickering, she started inquiring. So we wanted to do it through the school system, and they gave us a space, and then we approached Hilton Parma Rec, and they became the umbrella for us. So they're the ones who handle the buildings and getting the advertisement out and collecting, the funds to run the camp. And we use Monroe Boccuzzi-Reichert. They give us a whole bunch of supplies to use, like the 3D printers, the Legos, the green screens, little bits, and some Lego robotics kits that we can use during the summer. And also Hilton Central Schools, they supply us with the computers and the iPads every year.
One of the things that's important about being in this camp, it raises awareness to girls that they can be whatever they want to be, and they can, if they want to be an architect, they can be an architect. They just need to work hard toward it. And if they want to go into code, they can go into code, but they just need to work hard for it. It's not just going to come to you.
The breakout box was a huge hit. I did 2 with them. I was only going to do 1. But they liked that, where they had to solve puzzles, to open locks, and they worked together. And it was really neat to see some of the girls who, were the more outgoing ones, try and take the lead, but then the quiet ones who snuck up and said, no, here, look at this clue, we need to use this, and them working together. So I think they were excited. We had some great coding things going on. We had some great creating going on. And we already have kids asking if they could come back next year.
I'm a lot into the technology, like doing different coding things like that and being creative.
Technology, but I would have to say I like math, but I love technology more because then you get to experience more stuff.
What is computer science? It's solving a problem. And I think for some girls, I have one girl's like, I don't know what computer science is. And then as the week went on, she was like, it's solving problems. So I think giving them the opportunity to solve problems, to work together, to communicate, collaborate, to critically think, I think those are all really important. We had Mr. Cazillo come in, who's our earth science teacher, Merton Williams. He just spent a week at space camp, and he was talking to the girls about the skills that NASA is looking for, because apparently by 2030 they want somebody on Mars. And the skills they're looking for are those critical thinking, collaborating, communication skills. So everything we're kind of working on here, through coding, through creating, through using little bits and the 3D printer, are all skills that will help them when they get older to be productive and to be in jobs and be adults. I hope they had a good time and they felt like they were valued here. I hope they have an understanding of coding and maybe want to pick it up and try to do different things with it. I hope that they realize that just because a girl, it doesn't mean that they can't like science or math or engineering, and that maybe it'll spark an interest in a girl that never had it. That it's like, oh, maybe I should do this, or maybe I should look into these fields. And just give them a little more knowledge about what it means so that they can make informed decisions. It's okay to be who you are. Don't let anybody try to put you in a box or label you, you're this or that. Just be happy with who you are and be okay with that. And there are good people out there who don't like you, and that's okay. You can't make everybody like you. You can only change what you can change about yourself.